Okay, now that you know what a color scheme is, I'm going to show you how to blend those colors together. So just like we did in the last lecture, we're going to go ahead and just choose a random color. So for this lecture, we're going to go with green. Now if you're using a Prismacolor set, I'm using this green pencil, green apple, or apple green. If you're not using Prismacolors, that's fine, just try to find a green that's close to this color. So first what we're going to do is we're going to blend this green into its complementary colors, which are going to be blue and yellow. Then we're going to blend it into black and white, and then we're going to blend it into its contrasting color, which is going to be orange. So first, let's just go ahead and put down a nice big splotch of green. Just like so. Then grab your yellow pencil, this is the yellow that we're going to be blending into, and put another splotch of green next to it, but leave a little bit of space in between it. Okay, now take your blue and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now what the trick is how to get from here to there. So first thing you're going to want to do is take your yellow and you're just going to lightly fade it until you get to the green, and the yellow should be gone. So it's going to go from really thick to hardly any to none at all. So you're just going to fade it out until you get to the green, and it should all be gone. Just like that. Then we're going to do the same thing, but with the green, and we're going to go into the yellow like this. Just fade it out like that. Alright, perfect. Then to finish it off, we're going to take our yellow again, since yellow is the lighter color, and we're going to press really hard and go over this green that's fading in. And then once you get to this point, go a little bit lighter and fade it out again. And that gives us a really nice yellow green in the middle. Alright, perfect. So let's go ahead and do that on the other side too. Take your green, fade it out towards the blue. Then take your blue, do the same thing. Fade it out towards the green. Then we're going to take our green again, press down pretty hard, fade that over the blue. Give us a nice blend going into that blue. I'm going to take my blue again and go over the green a little bit, just because I want it to fade in a little bit better. Alright, perfect. Alright, so we just blended green into its complementary colors. So now we're going to blend green into black and white just below it. Another green splotch. Now get your white. White splotch to the left of it. Black splotch to the right of it. Now if you guys ever need to pause it because I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause it. I try to go a little bit slower for you, but if you need to, that's completely fine. Alright. Now we're just going to do the same thing and fade it out until it disappears when it gets to the green. Same exact concept we did up at top. Then take your white again, since it's the lighter color. Press down with some pressure. Then release the pressure a little bit once you get to here. There we go. That's going to give us a real nice green color in the middle. Alright, now same exact thing on the other side. Oops, you may see that right there. Looks like I had a little piece of black colored pencil on my lead and I just rubbed it in. No worries, we'll just keep going. Alright, now I'll take our black. I'll take it a little easy on the black because black is really bold, and if you put too much down, it's really hard to cover up. Now, take your green, add some pressure, blend that in. Alright, and there you have it. So we got black and white, complementary colors. Now we got to do contrasting colors. So there's our green. Now we're going to take our orange colored pencil and put a nice splotch next to it. Alright, so pretty much the same concept. We're going to fade it out towards the orange. And then take your orange, fade it out towards the green. Now, just because these two are contrasting colors doesn't mean you can't blend them. It may not look as attractive as these colors up here, but you can still do it, and you may have to end up doing it in an art piece. Then take our green again, finish it off. I'm actually going to take my orange, cover up some paper right there. Alright, and there you go. So now you've learned how to blend these colors together. To finish this assignment, what I want you to do is to go and choose at least 2 colors of your own and do the same exact thing we did here. Blend them into their contrasting color, blend them into black and white, and then blend them into the colors that are right next to them on the color wheel. I can't wait to see what you guys do with this blending assignment. I hope to see you all in the Q&A section. And just a reminder, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them. I'll answer all of them.